welcome to my channel again. I am Janelle and I'm really sorry because I know it's been 2 weeks since my last upload. It's just that sobrang busy lang talaga, like ang daming schoolworks, merong mga quizzes, reports, and so many more. And yup, that's why for this video, this is kind of special because this marks the start of my beginner series. So for the first episode, I'm gonna teach you guys how to build your own makeup kit, as well as giving brief information about makeups like kung ano ba yung purpose nito, how do you apply this, and how does it work, and things like that. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's go! First things first, I know a lot of you cannot buy a whole cake kit in just one full blow. Unless you're a really crazy rich Asian, then you can skip this part. So first things first, for the people who lacks budget but still want to level up their game as soon as possible, then I'm gonna recommend you this. First, you can temporarily buy with what I call the starter pack. What is the starter pack? So the starter pack contains 4 makeup products. And these are the pressed powder, the pangkilay, the blush, and the lips. So, ang una nating pag-uusapan ay yung pressed powder. So, what is a pressed powder? Yung pressed powder, ito yung nilalagay mo sa buong mukha mo para maging even or pantay yung kutis mo, yung kulay ng mukha mo, and mas mamukha kang fresh. For this product, I'm gonna recommend this one. This is the Maybelline White Super Fresh. I like this one even though matagal na siya dito, na like madami nang naglabas ang bago. I like this one because this has high SPF. It's like SPF 34. SPF are those na nilalagay mo sa mukha mo para, or sa skin mo para maging protektado ka sa sun. And this is really suit Pinay skin, like is yellow undertone. Yellow undertone are usually your cuties. It is the color of your skin kasi meron nga diba mga American na pinkish yung skin, and merong iba naman grayish. Tayong mga Pinay, usually yellow undertone tayo, yellowish yung kulay ng balat natin. This is really nice because it also have a little bit sheer to medium coverage. And yeah, nakita nyo naman, na-heat pan ko na siya. And even though I don't use this anymore, I still gonna recommend this kasi isa siya sa mga ginamit ko nung nagsisimula pa lang ako dito sa pag-makeup. And yeah, moving on. Next is the pangkilay. The pangkilay has many types. Merong powder, merong cushion pa nga dyan, meron ding pencil, merong retractable pencil. But if you're a beginner, I highly suggest that you will use a pencil. For the pencil, I'm gonna recommend this one. This is the Face Shop. Lagi ko na itong nababanggit sa mga videos ko kasi nga, I really love this. Hindi siya kumakalat sa skin, kumakapit agad siya. And the thing about pencils is that madali siyang i-glide, especially for beginners. Hindi ka mahihirapan na humulma ng kilay, like matatansya mo agad. Unlike using powders na kailangan tansyahin mo kung gano'ng karaming products yung kukunin mo and things like that. Pencils are really nice and it's also cheap. It's like 150 pesos lang. And yeah, my shade is actually black brown by the way. And yep, that's all. Next product would be blush. And yes, I know nawala na yung sulat, but this is actually my best friend nung nagsisimula lang din ako. Mainly because this blush, you can find it anywhere. Like, pwede nyo siyang makita sa Watson, minsan sa Mercury pa nga, and sa lahat na lang ng beauty section, nakikita nyo to. And it only costs 150 pesos. This is the Maybelline Colorshow blush in the shade Wooden Rose. Why do you need to pick the right shade? Mainly because kapag kasi yung mga pinili nyo agad dark color, nahihirapan kayo kasi kapag beginner ka, hindi nyo pa naman agad natatansya kung gaano karami ba yung kailangan mong kunin. Meron kasing mga blushes sobrang dark na pagka kinuha mo, isang tumpok agad siya. Pero ang ganitong mga light, pwede nyo siyang i-build. Ayan, hindi kita sa camera. Pero sobrang sheer lang siya and may konting glitters. Pero pwede nyong dagdagan sa cheeks nyo para mas maging intense and dun sa kulay na gusto nyong makita sa mukha nyo. So this is nice. You can find it anywhere. And yeah, moving on is the lipstick. Well, actually, I'm gonna make a different video for lipsticks. Pero as of now, I'm gonna give you guys my favorite lipstick or yung lipstick na naging best friend ko nung nagsisimula pa lang ako. And this is actually this one. This is the Maybelline Matte Stick. It is in the shade Clay Crush. Di naman yun naman kung gano'n na lang siya kakonti. Like, nagamit ko na talaga siya ng sobra-sobra. And the thing about this is also cheap and it suits every Pinay skin. Like, sa mga gumagamit ito, nakikita ko na bagay talaga sa kanila. And yeah, ito yung shade niya. Let me swatch. Ayan. Sobrang bagay lang. Sobrang bagay. Sobrang subtle lang ng color. Very, everyday lang. And yeah, you can find it anywhere sa mga Maybelline counters. Alam niyo naman, kapag sinabing Maybelline, you can find it anywhere sa mga beauty section. Hindi siya nawawala as far as I know. Kasi isa siya sa mga leading local brands here in the Philippines. And yeah, it only costs actually 200 pesos. This minsan, 300 pesos talaga siya. Pero madala siya mag-sale. Nagiging 200 na lang. And ngayon, alam ko, 150 lang siya sa Lazada. And yeah. And now we're done for the starter pack. Ngayon, moving on naman tayo sa level up pack. Does that make sense? I don't know. Pero dito na sa part na to, magagawa. May explain ko na kung ano pa yung mga ibang klase ng makeup sa inyo. So yes, you can still watch. And yeah, for the first product, we're gonna talk about the primer. This is the primer that I have right now. This is from e.l.f. And alam ko, 300 plus ko lang siya nabili. Basta cheap lang siya. And e.l.f. is also a local brand as far as I'm sorry, ang pangit ng boses ko right now. I know halata yan una pa lang. Meron kasi akong sipon. So please bear with me. Hindi naman ako ganito lagi. So yeah. Ano ba gamit ng primer? Yung primer kasi, ito yung nagiging base bago mo ilagay yung foundation mo. So ito yung mga nagpapatagal ng foundation mo. Ito rin yung mga nagtatago ng pores mo usually. And things like that. I can really recommend this one. Well, actually, I used to use, I used gamitin yung Maybelline, what do you call that? Basta isang naman yung primer na Maybelline na yung kulay blue. I used to use that, but the problem with that is masyadong malagkit. That's why I switched to this one. And yeah, but that is a good alternative. I'm gonna put the picture here. It's a good alternative. It only costs 300 pesos lang din, if I'm not mistaken. And it does the job. Makes your foundation last. That's what's important. But medyo maarte lang ako sa consistency. So yeah, another product that we're gonna talk about is the foundation. What are the foundation? The foundation looks like this. Basically, they're like liquid stuff. So for this product, I'm gonna suggest this one. This is from Maybelline again. This is the matte Poreless. This is the Fit Me rather. And it's in the shade 128. What I like about this is that hindi siya ganun kabigat sa face. Like, super natural lang niya and sobrang bagay na bagay sa Pilipinas skin. Ang dami niya kasing shade din. That's why makakapili talaga kayo. And it only costs 500 or 400. Basta mura lang siya. And also, yung coverage niya maganda din. Like, natatago niya talaga yung mga dark spots, eye bags, and things like that. So, yup, you can buy a foundation like this as soon as possible because you can use it for your everyday or kapag may event. Basta, this is a best friend of mine. Moving on is the concealer. So what is a concealer? The concealer usually hide your under eyes, your eye bags basically. Yun na lang, eye bags. And yeah, na-hide niya din yung mga pimple marks mo, pimples, and things like that. So for this product, I'm gonna suggest using this one. This is from Maybelline again. This is the Age Rewind in the shade Fair Clear. I have actually two shades and pareho na silang paubos because I love this two. Sobrang dali nilang gamitin. Lagi nyo ito nakikita sa mga videos ko because I really love. Meron siyang magandang coverage. And as far as I know, nakaka-enlighten din siya ng under eyes. So I'm not sure about it. But so ano pa ba? Wala naman ako ibang masasabi about concealers. Basta it does the job. After ng foundation, ito ilalagay nyo. So, after ng foundation, after ng concealer, it's time to set. So, what yung set? Ito yung paglagay ng powder sa ibabaw ng foundation nyo para mas lalong magtagal yung foundation sa mukha nyo. Well, kanina, I mentioned this one. This is the pressed powder, but I have other option when it comes to setting your foundation. And this is the Nichido Final Powder in the shade Creamy Glow. It's a loose powder. Loose kasi ganyan yung itsura niya. And a pressed powder from Stay Matte. The only downside about Stay Matte is that this is a Rimmel brand and it only, as far as I know, mabibili mo lang siya sa Middle East. And yeah, pero I think meron naman siya sa mga online shop and it's kind of cheap din naman. This is only 150 pesos or 120. This is something na nasa 300. They both do the job. Pareho silang maganda. Pareho nilang napag-i-stay yung foundation sa mukha ko. And yeah, actually I'm gonna make a separate video wherein I'm gonna do a makeup talaga for beginners. So watch out for that. Actually, meron pa ako isang powder dito na usually, recently ko lang ginagamit. This is the Pond's Magic Powder. Marami na atang nakakaalam ito kasi marami nag-rave ito as far as I know. This is a Thailand product. Alam ko meron na siya sa Watson, like 89 pesos lang. Pero dati meron mga nagbebenta sa online shop na 150, ganyan-ganyan. But yeah, this has a good coverage. Para lang siyang polvo. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos ilalagay niyo sa face nyo. Tak, tak, tak. And then you're done. Tapos sobrang bango niya. That's why I really like this one. But wala pa ako masyadong masasabi sa paggamit ito kasi kagagamit ko pa lang naman siya like ng isang araw lang. So yeah. Now we're gonna talk about highlighters. Highlighter basically change your game. So this is what you put on the cheeks, taas ng cheeks nyo para magkaroon ng glowing effect. Nilalagay nyo rin yan sa bridge ng nose nyo para mas lalong tumangos. It instantly make your skin glow without putting much effort. That's why I really like this. And for that, I really like the Detail Bake Highlighter. Sobrang tagal nito sa akin. Like, ang dami pa rin niya hanggang ngayon. Like, 1/4 or 1/8 lang ata na bawas. And sobrang ganda ng highlight. Sobrang lakas, maka-fresh, maka-glass skin, Korean glass skin. That's why I really like this. And yeah, that's its purpose. Next is basically about the eyes. Well, the eyes are medyo complicated because dito na medyo nagkakatalo eh. I'm gonna make a separate video again for this look kung saan mas i-detail ko kung paano ba mag-eyeshadow, paano ba mag-eyeliner, and paano maglagay ng falsies ng tama and things like that. So please watch out for that. For the eyeshadow, I will highly recommend this one. This is the btla Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow. I have actually a review about this product. And guys, please watch it kasi I was really impressed by this product. It's a beginner-friendly eyeshadow palette. And it's really cheap for a 35 pans palette. Guys, it only costs 600 pesos lang. Tapos, ang dami na niya. Ito kakatawa. So, please click the link here or sa description box because I'm gonna put it there and watch for it. And yeah. Now, for the eyeliner. Eyeliner is what you put sa inyong eyeshadow or sa inyong mata para mas magkaroon ng cat eye look. Mas magiging fierce yung mukha nyo. Para sa akin, kapag ka naglagay ka ng eyeliner, mas nale-level up nyo talaga yung game for me. And yeah. So, this is actually the Maybelline Hypersharp Powerblack. So, lahat naman ng Hypersharp maganda para sa akin, yung yellow. And actually, I used to use violet one pero face out na siya. What I like about this one is that sobrang dali lang niyang gamitin. Compare dun sa ibang mga eyeliner na ang hirap-hirap gumawa ng cat eye look. Dito kasi, like, ayan, kapag magaan yung kamay nyo, manipis lang yung magagawa nyong look eh. That's why dito talaga ako natuto. And ever since, hindi na ako gumamit ng iba pang eyeliner. Because this is so easy to use talaga. Like, promise. And like, sobrang long-lasting niya. And guys, it's smudge-proof. Kahit kamutin nyo yung mata nyo, hindi yan kakalat. Like, naalala ko, I wore this like 6 p.m. Tapos, hindi na ako nakapagtanggal ata ng makeup, which is bad. Tapos, natanggal ko na ata siya ng bandang 1 p.m. kinabukasan. And andun pa rin siya. Sobrang unclick pa rin ng eyeliner ko. And yeah, that's kind of funny, but still. Now, we're gonna talk about the mascara. The mascara is this one. This is the Maybelline Hypercurl and it only costs 150 pesos. The good thing again about this product is that you can buy it in any Watson store nationwide. Meron din nga ata rin siya sa mga Manson, sa Mercury, and things like that. Madali lang talaga siyang hanapin. Basta Maybelline na ganito. Madali lang. And it's smudge-proof. It's waterproof. Ang hirap niyang tanggalin. Yun lang yung downside niya. Ang hirap niya talagang tanggalin. Sobrahan ata yung pagiging waterproof niya. And yeah, the purpose of mascara is that mas binubuhay niya lalo yung mata mo. Kunyari, galing ka sa puyatan. Kapag ka naglagay ka ng mascara, instantly, mabubuhay yung mata mo. Parang hindi ka puyat. And yeah, so I think I'm done. I hope you guys would watch out for the other series kasi meron akong plano na magkaroon na makeup look for beginners, unflick kilay for beginners, how to do your eyeshadow, how to cut crease, all kinds of nude lipsticks for beginners. I just wish magawa ko siya as soon as possible. And yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also ring the bell below for you to be part of my notif squad. So yes, kung meron pa kayong mga suggestion, don't forget to comment din below para malaman ko kung ano ba yung mga gusto nyong makita or gusto nyong magawin ko. So yun lang, bye!